Welcome to our channel. If you have a Zions Bank Reloadable card and want to activate it online, follow these simple steps to start using your prepaid card for purchases and ATM withdrawals. Step 1. Open a web browser on your computer or mobile device and navigate to the Zions Bank website or the specific Reloadable card portal. The URL should be provided in your card welcome materials. Step 2. Look for the Activate Card or Card Registration link on the homepage. Click on it to be directed to the card activation page. Step 3. Enter your 16-digit Zions Bank Reloadable card number in the designated field. This number is printed on the front of your card. Make sure to type all digits accurately. Step 4. Provide the 3-digit CVV security code located on the back of your card. This code is usually found in the signature panel area and helps verify you have physical possession of the card. Step 5. Enter your personal information for identity verification, including your full name, date of birth, social security number, residential address, and phone number as required by banking regulations. Step 6. Create a 4-digit PIN for your reloadable card. Choose a PIN that's easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. Enter it twice to confirm. Step 7. Set up your online account by creating a username and password. This will allow you to manage your card online, check your balance, view transactions, and reload funds as needed. Step 8. Review and accept the Zions Bank Reloadable card terms and conditions, then submit your activation. You should receive confirmation that your card is now active and ready to use. Check your balance online to ensure it reflects any initial load amount. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.